Get ready to explore 20 amazing tools that combine smart design, power, and innovation. From ingenious gadgets to heavy-duty equipment, these incredible inventions are sure to blow your mind. The Drum and Flap Sander combines an inflatable sanding drum and flap sander in one versatile machine for contour, edge, and curved surface sanding. Its powerful motor, interchangeable drum sizes, and flexible flap wheel deliver smooth, consistent finishes across a wide range of woodworking projects. The Fantic W10 Apex Mini Chainsaw combines a high-speed brushless motor, lightweight design, and intelligent LED display for fast, precise cutting. With 3-speed settings, USB-C fast charging, and a built-in work light, it's perfect for pruning, gardening, and outdoor projects with less effort. WEICON HB 300 is a steel-filled, high-temperature epoxy resin engineered for repairing, bonding, and rebuilding metal components. Its non-sag formula performs on vertical surfaces, making it ideal for restoring castings, sealing pumps and pipes, repairing machinery, and extending the service life of industrial equipment. The PAMFast AutoFeed system installs Cortex screws up to 3 times faster, with convenient stand-up operation that reduces bending and fatigue. Compatible with stainless steel applications, it delivers quicker, more comfortable fastening while improving productivity on decking and exterior installation projects. The Kemper Electric Hand Engraver delivers precise engraving on wood, glass, plastic, and metal with 5 adjustable speed settings and durable tungsten carbide tips. Its ergonomic rubber grip provides excellent control, making it ideal for detailed marking, personalization, and creative DIY or professional projects. The EM-Top 20 volts cordless spray gun delivers smooth professional paint application without the restrictions of power cords. With support for thick coatings up to 120 DINs and adjustable spray patterns, it provides fast, even coverage for furniture, walls, fences, and a wide range of DIY projects. These telescopic support rods provide fast, secure support for cabinet installation, sheet goods, and overhead projects. Featuring durable steel construction, quick slide adjustment, swiveling PVC pads, and optional screw mounting, they offer reliable stability and make solo job site tasks easier and more efficient. The Super-Vee drain cleaning machine clears sink, tub, and laundry drains with speed and precision. Its slide-action chuck, quick-change cable cartridges, and durable FlexiCore cables provide safer operation, faster setup, and long-lasting performance, making stubborn clogs far less of a plumbing nightmare. The Tigris 1250CX is a cordless insulation cutter that slices through foam, mineral wool, plasterboard, aerated concrete, and more with a rotating diamond cutting wire. Its brushless motor, dust extraction, and precise angle adjustments deliver fast, clean, and versatile cutting for demanding construction projects. The Milwaukee M18 and M12 4-bay simultaneous supercharger powers up to 4 batteries at once with ultra-fast charging and intelligent power distribution, featuring active battery cooling, pack-out compatibility, and RedLink technology. It keeps crews working longer with minimal charging downtime. The ROSCALE 150 is a smart digital refrigerant scale with a 150 kilogram capacity, delivering precise weighing for refrigeration, air conditioning, and heat pump servicing. App connectivity, a large LCD display, and compatibility with the ROSCALE valve enable accurate automated refrigerant charging for faster and safer workflows. The Vikingstep Pro is a compact folding work platform designed for easy transport and storage. Featuring wide non-slip steps, a telescopic railing with integrated tool holders, and lightweight anodized aluminum construction, It provides safe, stable access without leaving marks on your hands or clothing. Meet the Grade 80 log chain with slip hooks, the heavyweight champion your loads wish they had. Built from heat-treated steel with corrosion-resistant protection, it delivers dependable strength for towing, lifting, and securing heavy loads. Tough jobs? Bring them on. This chain laughs at hard work and keeps performing every time. Forget wrestling with stubborn wires. This crimping tool delivers secure, high-density wire terminations with precision square crimping for push-in and screw-type terminal blocks. Its pre-clamping lever improves accuracy, reduces the number of crimps needed, and speeds up electrical installations like a true pro. Say goodbye to cable stripping headaches. The Southwire UFB copper cable with QwikStrip jacket features precision-guided grooves for faster, safer stripping. No specialty tools needed. Built for direct burial and outdoor installations, it protects conductors, reduces installation errors, and helps power through residential and agricultural wiring projects faster. The PL Compact Work Platform combines a foldable aluminum design with a sturdy working platform, safety rails, and deep anti-slip steps for secure elevated access. Lightweight, easy to transport, and supporting up to 150 kilograms, it's ideal for maintenance, installation, and everyday professional tasks. Transform ordinary walls into stunning masterpieces. Baumit CreativTop is a ready-to-use silicone resin finish render that creates unique textured facades with exceptional durability. Its dry pour effect technology boosts breathability while delivering endless design possibilities and long-lasting weather protection for exterior walls. Why pump by hand when Ryobi does the hard work? The Ryobi Multifunction Inflator quickly inflates tires, sports equipment, and air mattresses with digital pressure presets, automatic shutoff, deflation mode, and cordless portability. Fast, accurate, and hassle-free, because your muscles deserve a day off. The Ratchet Cutter delivers powerful, clean cuts through stranded and fine-stranded copper and aluminum cables with minimal effort. Its durable ratcheting mechanism and integrated cleaning brush ensure smooth operation, precise results, and long-lasting performance without requiring additional finishing. Say goodbye to stubborn grime. The Black Edition high-pressure cleaner blasts away dirt with powerful hot water, cleaning up to 80 degrees Celsius. Equipped with a premium Kranzel pump, digital controls, pressure regulation, an automatic hose reel, and advanced safety systems, it delivers professional-grade cleaning for the toughest industrial and commercial jobs. Thanks for watching. Tell us which tool impressed you the most, and subscribe for more amazing tools, machines, and innovations from around the world.